Hey, Tim again. Do you know what the biggest threat in life is? You can't see it, you can't smell it, can't feel it, can't hear it. It's time. Time's short. Time. There's only so much of it. For us, anyway. I'm sure I've always known it, and I never really cared till I pissed away 58 years on this. I mean, this, all I did is chase this. I damn wasted all my time running around trying to chase money. All I did is trade time for damn money, man. I damn running around, call it the paper chase. And it was foolish. I wasted all my time running around chasing this stuff that was always right there. And I damn missed out on a lot of life, man. My kids, I raised 4 kids. Well, I say my wife raised them. I funded it. It's terrible, man. This was my God. What kind of God is that? You know I'll be picking that up. There is an easy fix. Make life a lot less stressful. Be a lot easier. I mean, you'll be able to, I don't know, boy, it'll just ease your mind so much, man. You'll be floating around like a bird, I guess. It won't give you more time, but it'll give you a fuller life and an easier life and a less stressful life. Now, I'm just doing this to help people out because like I say, I pissed away 58 years before I realized this stuff. And the quicker you get this stuff going, the better off you're going to be. Like, share, subscribe, help me get this word out some more. I just want to help people out, man. That's all I want to do. First thing is slow down and start opening your eyes and stay focused on everything. Keep your eyes open. You're just running around half asleep half the time. You're missing up all kinds of opportunities and stuff. That's why time seems to be going so fast. And it gets faster as you get older because your body's actually learning how to do things better than your mind. And your mind just keeps kind of going into like a sleep because it ain't learning nothing. It isn't focusing on things. It's like you gotta look around when you're driving, when you're walking, when you're talking. Always constantly think about what you're doing. Because like I say, your body's knowing more than your mind is. And that's why you're kind of in a sleep and time flies. Now, another thing is like that. I was over at the junkyard. I bought a 63 Impala. And I went to jump in my truck. I was going to run up and get some stuff. I forget what it was, but sucker wouldn't start. Click, click. I'm like, oh man, this thing, dang, bought a Chevy, and now my Ford's jealous. And instead of sitting there thinking, because I've been through this stuff, instead of sitting there thinking, I went ahead and I jumped on the solenoid, and oh, the solenoid's bad, and blah blah, and did that, and I ended up pulling the starter off, checking it was good. Dang, put that back in. Finally got it going. Came home. Well, I had stopped up front first. Well, it did it again. I'm like, oh man. Come to find out, it was the dang positive post was just dirty. All I had to do is take that off and clean it. I spent the rest of the damn day, 2-3 hours running around with it. Had to get a ride back home, get a solenoid, go back over there. And I know it was that because I got back home. I put the old one on there after I cleaned up the positive post and all that. See, just small things, thinking like that can kill you a lot of time. And that's stuff you can be moving forward on. Now, the other thing is what I've been preaching in this whole thing is get out there and start fucking knocking your head against the wall and find something to work for yourself. So you ain't working for the man all the time. I mean, you think about it, a job that should just be for like kids or whatever, to get your money ahead, to get something going for yourself. So start beating your head against the damn wall and figure out something to get your mind going on things to support yourself. Like I say, get away from the man. That way you can be the man. And you damn, as soon as you knock this stuff out of your way, the quicker you can get on to an easier, better life. Because I mean, you don't want to wait until you get my age and have to deal with this stuff. Because then, I mean, I'm not punching a clock no more. But I went ahead and I burn up all my time. I burn up the hell of my money too, just trying to get through. I mean, I missed a lot of stuff, Bo. I don't regret my life. I love my life. But like I say, time's short. And if you keep burning it up like it's nothing, I mean, you can't get it back. You're just going to be toast. Like, share, subscribe. Man, damn, just get up right now, man. Do something. Do anything. Start anything. I got that ebook down below. How to create an ebook. I got a groovy little skit at the end of this thing. Like I say, I want to help people out, man. Comment down below. Boy, I love them comments. I don't know, get something going, anything going. Time is now. Because like I say, it makes life so much easier not having to dang trip over everybody else to get to your own little free time on the weekend. If you can find something that people need, not want and desire, like I got Yorkies going, but if times keep getting harder and harder, they ain't gonna want little dogs. They're gonna want, you know, something they can use and something they can do. If you figure out people's problems or what people need, if you find things rich people like, that's good too. Dang, because you look at it, no matter how hard the economy gets or anything, there's still going to be rich people and people with money. So why don't you be one of them people? That's what I'm trying to do. I don't know, boys. Like I say, time's short. You need to dang figure this stuff out. So if you get anything out of this video, just get this. Get your ticker ticking, man, and get shit figured out, because time is short. So like, share, subscribe, comment. Let me know what's going on. If you got any ideas for me, I could use all the advice I can get. So stay sharp, keep your nose clean, and owe no one. That's living, baby.